It's video starting. Okay. Bro, the video hasn't even started. It's already. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of IQ1227. Today we're in the same world, but the one stalker mod doesn't really work with me. It doesn't attack. So I try. Guys, do you all see that? Like, okay, guys, I didn't animate something. Didn't add my own mods. I gotta press horse.
Ano lang, 30 minutes na lang. Alis na yung plano. Buti may dumaan tricycle eh.
What
Kinara ko na eh.
the freaky bilimas?
20 minutes pa.
Kada pamilya, yung pinakadita.
Oh, the sun is closing. That is why we gotta alert the villagers. Get up. Get up, boy. Okay, before I get up, see what you do. Iron Golem killing boy. Bro, Iron Golem is literally looking at the one. You are my savior, Iron Golem. You are like the most kindest thing on this village, bro. Guys, sorry for the last video. The last video I was. Oh my god, that was an entity. The last video, I worked so hard. It's hard for me to find iron because, I'm a noob. But, yeah, like, guys, you understand me? I worked so hard. Didn't even find my house at the village. And the stalker jester just got to me. Oh, what do you trade? Yo, I want to trade. What you trade?
Bakit lang mo? Ano lang namin ako eh. Kotse. Hindi ko lang eh. Ano siya sumakay sa patas? Doon na sumakay.
The hell is this? I'ma murder you. I'ma murder you, boy.
Nay!
Doesn't even know how to trade. And how will we go mining? Something's like no.
So, hinaharang mo lagi yung ibay. Papasok ko yung ibay. Jane, ikaw, hindi ko dahil.
Oh, I am scared. I don't even see the entity right now, boy. I don't even see him. Nah, but I'm facing him. Let me in! Oh my god! Yeah, bro, I know this entity. Oh, is he on the roof?
Kumain ka dito.
Bro is such a Swifty. Okay guys, so sorry for the short video and wasting your time. Actually I got school tomorrow. So bye. Please, IQ 12276